Hello guys, and welcome back for another Vechain price prediction analysis video. And at the time of this recording, Vechain is giving us a bit of a pullback to the lower side, and we are now losing support above the 0.03213. And on today's update video, I will be discussing Fibonacci key areas of supports that we need to pay attention to, and above all, take a look at the daily chart, giving you my long-term perspective of the chart. So make sure that you stick around till the end of the video. And starting the video on the daily chart, I still maintain that from the lows we made on the 4th of November, we saw a massive bounce to the upper side in a move that peaked above the 0.08 in December 2024, completing the formation of these larger edge wave count 1. Then we started a massive pullback to the lower side in the formation of this second wave, where you can see that at some point the market was down more than 77.57% at some point this year. And I said to you in my previous videos that having seen such a significant drop, there's a very high chance that the low is almost in, or maybe the low is in the formation of this second wave, and a bounce is now imminent in the formation of that wave 3, whose minimum target areas were given by connecting the fib extension from the low we made in the formation of that first wave to the high of the wave 1, then connecting the Fibonacci's to the low of the second wave. And the area that we need to pay attention to lies on the fib level 1.618, and that lies above the 0.11692, an area that we can easily maximize in the next coming weeks, as long as we continue holding Fibonacci key areas of support, continue holding a higher low, and also get a break above significant swing highs. On the daily chart, you can also see that we have seen a break to the upper side of this descending trend line, which is an indication that we have started to see a market structure shift on the daily chart. And after breaking to the upper side, we even saw a retest over here and then continued pushing even higher. So that is a clear indication that we might continue seeing that bullish momentum in the formation of that wave 3, and also fully maximize our minimum target areas. Taking a look at the 4-hour chart, here on the 4-hour chart, I have been observing a 5-wave structure from the lows we made on the 7th of April, where you can see that we first saw these bounce in this 5-wave structure, giving us a high above the 0.02837, completing the formation of these larger edge wave count 1. Then we saw a bit of a slight pullback in the formation of that second wave, where we continued to hold within Fibonacci key areas of support, an area that gave us a reaction to the upside in what I now believe is the start of this impulsive bounce in the formation of that wave 3. And because of the impulsive nature in the formation of that wave 3, I have been observing a 5-wave structure from the lows we made on the 6th of May, where you can see that we have now seen the formation of that wave 1, a pullback in a second wave, a wave 3, a slight pullback in the formation of this wave 4 over here, and there's a very high chance that whatever we saw today was the final phase of that 5-wave structure in the formation of that wave 5. And if that is the case, that means that in the next coming hours, we are going to see a bit of a slight pullback to the lower side in the formation of a second wave, because having seen this 5-wave structure, we completed the formation of that wave 1. So that means that a pullback is now imminent in the formation of a second wave, whose minimum target areas can be given by connecting the fibs from the lows down here to the highs we made today. And the area that you need to pay attention to is the golden pocket, which lies between the fib level 0.5 and the 618, and that is between the 0.02775 and the 0.02894, which is the area over here. So in case of any pullbacks, that is the area that we need to see Vechain holding. And as long as we continue holding within this area over here, then expect another bounce in the formation of a wave 3 over here. So I will be expecting a wave 3 as long as we continue holding support over here. So that is the roadmap that I'm expecting Vechain to follow on the long term and also on the short term. And let us be patient and see how that plays out, and I will ensure you stay up to date.